Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. And in today's video, I'm just going to show you how to get the About Me and banner on Discord. So this is actually a new feature that they've recently launched as of filming in 2021. And if you find this video helpful today, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Also, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So in order to do this, what we're going to do is come across to discord.com, and then you just need to go ahead and log into your account. Okay, so once you've logged into your account, what you actually need to do is come down and click onto your settings, which is this little gear icon down here. And then what you're going to do is just click onto user profile, which is in the menu on the left hand side. And you'll see this has actually changed. So this is something they've recently changed, where they've added an About Me section, which is actually really cool because what you can do, obviously you can put your About Me in there. So whatever you want to put. And you can also add clickable links. So if I actually go to youtube.com and say I come across to my channel and I wanted to add that to my Discord profile, what I can do is just come across to my channel.
Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor.
Let's pause my video a minute, and if I actually copy this and paste that into my About Me section, you'll see that comes up as a clickable link. So you can also add a profile banner. To do this, you do need Nitro. The subscription you need is actually the new one, not the classic Nitro, but the one, I think it's about $10 a month, something along those lines. And what you'll be able to do is actually add a banner, which comes up here as well. You'll see I've not got Nitro at the moment. I need to actually subscribe for a subscription. But you can actually add that. You can add like a PNG, a JPEG, JPG, or you can actually do like a kind of animated GIF banner. But yeah, that's how you do it. So once you've filled everything in here, all you need to do is click the green Save Changes button down here. So that's going to save your changes. And you'll see that's all done. And that's all done now. So basically when anybody clicks onto your profile, they'll be able to view your About Me section, find out a bit about yourself, and also view that cool banner feature that they've added. So I hope you found that helpful, and if that did help, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. If you go and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.